I want to show you one of my favorite exercises to help with walking. Placing a thigh band around your legs just above your knees, so you're feeling that lateral resistance. I want you to stand on one leg, pushing out into the band. What you're going to notice is engagement of muscles on the outsides of both hips. Now think of my pelvis like a ledge. I'm just going to let the uninvolved side drop. You can see that my greater trochanter shifted out to the side. Now when I come up to standing, I'm going to lift the side of the pelvis to be level. Already I'm hitting my abductor muscles, but if I also push out into the band, I'm getting a double whammy. So the exercise might look something like this: down, up and out. Down and in, up and out. After a few repetitions, shorten the range of motion. Now I'm spending more time under tension at the maximal part of the range, and then finally finish with an isometric hold. This will help you walk so much better and put less stress on your knee, foot, and ankle.